There you go. Yeah, there you go. Pull the paper. Pull the paper. You get it off? You just want the box out, huh? Hey, you gotta get the paper off first and the ribbon off. What do you think's in that box? You open the box? Oh, look at those pretty monkey toe shoes. Ladybugs. Foot? Do you want to put it on your foot? Are those cute? Cute? Cool. Cute. Back. You want to put it on your foot?
No.
Can we put them on your feet?
No.
Let's see what the ladybugs look like on your piggies. Piggies. Can you put your piggies in there? Maybe we should have put socks on you, huh? What else it without socks? Look at how cute those are. Now I gotta take that one off.
Oh.
Can you tell Aunt Jenny thank you?
Welcome. Oh, fit.
Yeah. You gotta get the foot in there. There you go. Look at how cute. You wanna walk?